Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You sign into the Google account that owns the channel and then open YouTube Studio. Once there, select Settings and choose Permissions. This is where you control access. You need owner-level rights to proceed, so make sure you are listed as an owner. If not, add or request owner access now. While adding, use the exact email of the new Google account and choose the owner role. After inviting, wait for acceptance and keep this tab open to continue the ownership workflow. Once you add the new Google account as an owner, the invited user must accept the invitation from their email. Prompt them to check spam folders. After acceptance, return to Permissions in YouTube Studio and confirm both accounts appear. Some channels require a 7-day waiting period before ownership can be transferred. This prevents accidental moves. If the interface allows immediate transfer, follow the on-screen prompts to initiate. Make sure both accounts have. To finish, promote the invited account to primary owner and permissions. You may then remove the original owner if you want. Once transferred, go through channel settings, channel verification, monetization, and connected apps to confirm everything moved correctly. If something breaks, first check that the invite was accepted and that the 7-day hold, if present, elapsed. If emails or buttons don't appear, clear cache, use an incognito window, and retry. If issues persist, contact Google support with account ID and timestamps for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.